Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see all participants on your Zoom meeting using your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to either start a new meeting or join an existing one. This works the same way whether you're hosting the meeting yourself or joining as a participant, so the steps apply to both scenarios. After you're in the meeting, tap anywhere on your screen. This action will bring up the meeting controls at the bottom of your interface. These controls give you access to all the essential features you need during a call, including audio settings, video options, and participant management. Now look for and tap on the Participants button. This is usually represented by an icon showing multiple people or might be labeled as participants. Once you tap this, a panel will appear showing you a complete list of everyone who's currently in the meeting. This is incredibly useful because it displays all participants, including those who have their cameras and microphones turned off. So even if someone isn't visible on the video grid, you'll still see their name in this list, allowing you to keep track of who's present in the meeting. However, if you want to actually view everyone's video feeds simultaneously, you'll need to switch to a different view mode. To do this, first close the Participants panel by tapping the X or back button. This will return you to the main meeting screen where you can see the video feeds. Next, swipe from right to left on your screen. Keep swiping until you reach what's called Gallery View. This view mode is specifically designed to display multiple video feeds at once, making it easy to see everyone in the meeting simultaneously. Instead of focusing on just the active speaker, Gallery View arranges all participants in a grid format on your screen, giving you a comprehensive view of everyone who has their camera turned on. And that's it. You now know how to view all participants in your Zoom meeting, both as a list and in gallery format. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.